Road safety is a critical public concern, with accidents, hazards, and inadequate infrastructure contributing to significant loss of life and property worldwide. To address this, there is a need for a user-centric software platform that empowers citizens to report road safety issues in real time, while enabling authorities to respond efficiently. The website link is rsc.dor.gov.np. The homepage displays details of total observations, observations taken this month, observations taken this week, and observations taken today. The homepage also shows bar graph of daily observation chart and the cumulative observation chart. Let's log into the website. Click Login in the side panel. If the username and password are already available, enter them and log into the system. If not registered to the website, then click Create New Account. Fill up name, email, phone number, password, and click on Register. Once registration is complete, you need to log into your email and check your inbox for a mail sent from RSC Web for email verification. Open the mail and click on Verify My Email button to complete the registration. Now go to Login, and you will be able to log into the website as soon as the admin accepts your registration request. Enter your registered email and password and click Login. You will be redirected to the homepage. You can see few extra menus in the side panel. Click on My Observations. You can see 3 submenus. Click on Add New Observation. List of various observation categories appears on the screen. Select accordingly as per your requirement. Let's click Traffic Lights as example. It opens the form to fill data. Select Observation Item. Select Urgency. Select Severity. Put some notes. You can see latitude and longitude. You cannot enter latitude and longitude. For that, you need to upload the photograph with geotags. The system captures the latitude and longitude from the photograph's geoinfo. You can see as soon as the photo has been uploaded, the latitude and longitude field has been filled up. Let's delete this photo and upload another photograph without geotags. As you can see, the latitude and longitude fields are empty, although the photograph has been uploaded. So let's delete this photo and re-upload the previous one with geotags. Add caption if required. You can add another photograph. The coordinates remains the same of the first photo uploaded. You can also upload a video if it is necessary. Click on Save Data once all forms has been filled up. This will save your record. You can add another observation if required. For now, let's move to Manage My Observation. You can see the observation we just filled up. Let's confirm it by clicking View at the end. This confirms the observation has been uploaded in the system correctly. Next in the menu is View My Map. We can see the observation made by the logged-in user. There is observation layers at left side. You can apply filter as per your requirement. View Map is just like the View My Map menu, but shows all observation taken by users through mobile or through website. The filters can be applied as per requirement. Reports section generates the monthly reports that have been accepted by admins. Reports can be generated for this week only, this month only, and for any month by selecting month and year. Click Apply to list the reports. It can be also exported in PDF format. Feedback/issue page lists all the observation with option to view and add feedback. By clicking Add button, feedback or issue to the observation can be noted. Clicking View button to view the feedback listed for that observation. Feedback from user or feedback from others can be viewed in separate tabs. The notification page is used to send the notification to the mobile users. The notification can either be sent to individual user or sent to all users. Type notification title, then notification body, and click Send. About Us page displays the information about the system, and clicking Log Out logs you out of the system. If you are the admin of the system, you can use admin credential. Use email and password and click Login. The side panel displays extra menus. These menus are only accessible by admin user. Rest of the menus are similar as before. Let's go through the additional menus. Let's start with Manage Observations. Manage Observations lists the observation taken from mobile as well as from the web. There are 3 tabs: Uploaded, Accepted, and Not Accepted. Uploaded tab shows the new uploaded observations. Clicking View button displays the details of the observation. It can be then either accepted or rejected by clicking Accept button or Reject button respectively. The accepted observation are listed in the Accepted tab. Click View button to view the details of accepted observation. The details can be forwarded to others by clicking Forward. Select the recipients, and also PDF can be downloaded by checking the option to download PDF. Click Send button to send a report via email. The copy of the observation detail has been downloaded as well. Not Accepted tab lists the observations that has been rejected from Uploaded tab. It can be viewed and also deleted if not required. Just click Delete button and the record is removed from the list. Next menu that is only available to the admin is Manage User. The pending registration requests are listed on the top. The admin can either accept or reject the request by clicking Approve button or Reject button. Admin can also add user. Click Add User button. Fill the form and click Save to add new user. Click Edit button to edit the existing user. The setting menu consists of 2 sub-menus: Observation Lookup and Recipients List. Observation Lookup is used to add items to the observation list. Select Category, Observation Item, and click Get. The list of observation appears on the screen. New item can be added or existing items can be edited and deleted. To add new item, just click Add button and fill the form and click Save. The list will be updated. To edit, click on Edit button and edit the required part and click Save. Clicking Delete button deletes the record from the list. Recipients List displays the list of email recipients. There is an option to add the recipients. Click Add Recipient button and scroll to the bottom of the list. Fill name, email, organization, and click Save. The recipient is added to list. Click Edit button to edit the existing record and Delete button to delete the record from the list. The rest of the menus are same as before.